In today's video, I'll show you how to add a music player to your GoDaddy site quickly. This is perfect for engaging visitors or showcasing your music. Start by opening your browser and going to GoDaddy. Log in using your email, Facebook, or Google account. From your dashboard, go to Websites plus Marketing. Find your site and click Manage. Then select Edit Website to open the editor. Navigate to the page where you want the music player. Add a new section and choose Audio from the available options. Next, open SoundCloud and find the track or playlist you want to feature. Click Share and then Embed to get the embed code. Copy this code, switch back to your GoDaddy editor, and in the audio section, paste the embed code. Your music player will now appear exactly where you want it on your page. With this setup, visitors can enjoy your selected tunes, making your site more dynamic and engaging. Your music player is now live.